Hello, once again, this is Inspiration Kulot. Welcome to my page, Inspiration Kulot. If you are new to my page, please follow and share this so that every time I upload new videos like Inspirational Videos, you will be notified and be updated. There's I want to share with you this another very good article. I just read this from the Facebook page of Adams Noah. I do not know the writer of this, but maybe he's not the writer. He just shared this, post this in his Facebook page. Credit to the rightful author of this article. Uh, in ancient Greece, Socrates has a great reputation for wisdom. One day, someone came to find the great philosopher and said to him, "Do you know that I just heard about your friend?" "A moment," replied Socrates. "Before you tell me, I would like to test it with the three sieves." "The three sieves?" "Yes," continued Socrates. "Before you speak about others, it's important to take the things to filter out what you mean. I call it the test of the three sieves. The first sieve is truth. Have you checked if what you're going to tell me is true?" "No, I just heard it." "Very well. So you don't know if it's true. Let's move on to the second sieve, that of kindness. Is what you want to tell me about my friend something good?" "Oh no, on the contrary." "So," questioned Socrates, "you want to tell me something negative about him, and you're not even sure it's true?" "Perhaps you can still pass the test of third sieves, that of utility. Is it useful for me to know what you're going to tell me about his friend?" "No, not really. Therefore," concluded Socrates, "what you are going to tell me is neither true, nor good, nor useful. Why then did you want to tell me this?" Gossip is a bad thing. Initially, it may seem enjoyable and fun, but ultimately, it fills our hearts with bitterness and poisons us, said Pope Francis. You know, guys, I want to comment about this article, about this message, want to convey to us. I'm sorry if I am not good in English on my pronunciation, but I'll try to speak this in English so that everybody can understand me. Even though if I am not a good in not good in grammar and in English, I want to um, share this in English. Even though I am a Bisaya, I am a Filipina. You know, sometimes, not sometimes, all of the times, gossips are the source, the root of misunderstanding, of quarrel, of everything that made our relationship break because of gossip. Before we share that gossip, you must be felt that gossip must be filtered out. Your words must be filtered out from, the three sieves. Meaning of sieves in Bisaya, saanan, sa ba kana, like mag kuan bitaw kag anay lubi, isaon nimo ng kuan or mahog tong tuno muna sieves saanan. Sa Socrates is really a good is really a wise man, is really a great philosopher. Don't believe in gossip. No, if that gossip is true, so you can share that. If that gossip shows kindness, share that. If that gossip has utility, share that. But if that gossip is negative, can break someone's heart, can make us down, pull us down, why share that gossip? You know, that's the life of that person. You have no right to share his life to others, because we have different situations. There's mind your own business, as they say, mind your own business, because it's not your business. And they said, there's a saying in Bisaya, kuha ang truso nga nakapuling sa imong mga mata. Kuha na, because we are all sinners. Why not try to understand each other so that we cannot create quarrel, chaos, misunderstand? Why not try to be happy, to have a happy environment? Why not try to why not try to understand each other? Anyway, we all die. We are all passers-by in this world. Our life is not, we are not here forever. We must understand each other. Why? We must not be the reason of division. We must be the reason of bridge, not the division, not the wall. We must not create wall. We must be the bridge for unity, not for division. Anyway, we have the right to choose our friends, new circle of friends, because if you are no longer happy with that person or group of people, why still linger with them? It's a cause of your heartache. It is a cause of your if you want to be successful, do not stay forever with the negative people around you, because they will be the one to pull you down. You are already in the peak, in the momentum of your success, but those people do not want you to succeed, because they are envious. They want that you will be at their level always. So please be the reason for unity, not the division. If you feel that you're no longer happy with them, why join them? The world is big. There are lots of people waiting for you to make you happy and help you for your success. And thank you. This is Inspiration Kulot, and I have a YouTube channel, Inspiration Kulot. God bless us all.